everybody, welcome back to the channel. Another TFSA Wealthsimple trade portfolio update. It is Tuesday and the markets are starting to rally again, so it's kind of nice. We had kind of not a good last week and into this week, but it's nice to see things starting to come back on a positive note. Let's just keep this one short. The markets are still open. It's Tuesday. We'll jump right into the portfolio, give you an update. All right, here we are, TFSA trade portfolio using the Wealthsimple trade app. And now I get a little notice here saying they're experiencing some temporary issues causing delays or errors with using the app. So hopefully everything's working okay. We'll give the update. We'll see how that is working. The balances might be maybe off a little bit then, I guess, but we'll see. We are still down on this portfolio, but again, we're starting to bounce back today, which is nice to see. We'll go through and see how we're doing. Everything is almost everything in the portfolio is up. Brookfield Renewables 44.42. Now we will see some live pricing coming through here because the market's about halfway through the day here. We are up today 1.05%, which is nice. $3.68 up. We're still down on this one. We will be adding more on our next deposit for sure. CMC, this one not doing good today at all. Down 23 cents. I'm debating on this one whether to just let it sit and go or start to dollar cost average it and reduce my average share price. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. I'd love some suggestions on that to see what people think. ETC, if you've been following the market, you know cryptocurrency. If you did watch our last update, you know it's taken a dive down over the weekend, but again, it's been starting to rally back up quite good. So quite happy about that. And we're seeing that reflected in the price in ETC. We are still down, but again, this is a long-term 5-10 year hold at least in the portfolio. So we'll be sitting at that. So we're up today though, up 3% today. Total return 25.84. Not too bad, but we are down 13.71%, $137.46, dragging down the portfolio on that. But not too worried, sticking with the plan. Greenlane Renewables, this one seems to be doing today as well pretty good. We're up 3.17%. It's nice to see these stocks starting to move up. But we are unfortunately still down 13.51% on Greenlane Renewables. Now again, I think this is a good long-term investment. It was actually up quite a bit for a while. I should have maybe took my money and run, but we're gonna let this one, we're still buying shares. We'll still keep our average cost going on this one to keep it going. REI.UN, this is our RioCan Real Estate Investment Trust. This one has been doing well. Finally, again, 22.02 sitting at right today. Our average price, $20.88, which is nice. And we're up 1.19% so far in the day, 650, up 5.64% on the portfolio. Pretty happy with that. We still get our regular dividends. As always, we'll do the dividend update video at the beginning of next month to show what came in December in the portfolio. RNW, TransAlta Renewables, this one up as well, which is nice, 1.84. And we are, today's return up 1.84. There it goes, $10.20. We're still down a little bit, but this one has been coming back quite nicely, slowly but surely. And I think we'll still be adding to this position. As you can see from my portfolio, I am heavily in the renewable energy stocks. So we added on that as well. And speaking of renewable energy, Solar Alliance Energy, not doing that great today again, but we'll still be adding slowly into this one. This is kind of more of the fun one, just to see kind of what happens. These small cap companies are always a bit of a gamble. We're not putting all our money into one space, but we will be slowly adding to this to see what happens over the long term. We're down, unfortunately, today 3.33%. And Slate Office Real Estate Investment Trust, this one's back up, which is nice to see. We were down under $5 earlier this week, but we were up today 1%. Average price is still $5.18, but again, we have 61 shares. We're gonna be getting our regular monthly dividends on this one. Again, a long-term hold for sure. We're just gonna keep those dividends coming. So as long as there's no changes to what the dividend payouts are, we're happy. We'll let this one sit and let it ride. Telus has been doing quite good today. We were actually up $30 today, over $30, which is nice to see. I should have bought more. I should have bought more Telus. But today we have 15 shares. We're up 0.47%. Altogether 6.96%, 29.23, which is nice to see with Telus. It's had a nice run up today for sure with Telus. And then the last ones, our last two are our two ETFs. We have the Vanguard Canadian High Dividend Yield Index ETF. This one has been doing quite well as well. The last couple days is up We are up today 1.02% so far, which is nice, and 6.95% on the portfolio, $110.29 on VDY. Quite happy with that ETF. I'll definitely be purchasing more shares in this ETF with each deposit. And also with VFV, this one is doing quite well today. As you can see, this is a good kind of indication of how the market is doing. This is our Vanguard S&P 500 Index ETF, which is doing good today. So you can see kind of generally with the market up 1.35%, which is nice. Our average price is only $99.14. So we're up 6.45%. We've only had this one for a little bit, doing quite well, been happy with it. I wish I found this earlier as well. Let's just go through and see how the portfolio is going in general. As you can see in the month, we're down on the month, but we'll go today. We're up, see today coming up $107.93, which is nice, 1.48%. It'd be nice if we could gain that every day. It just doesn't happen like that. On the week, unfortunately, we're down from the week, 77.42. That's okay, not too worried, but we'll see how as we're down here, which is the past month, we are down 4%. This is mainly from the cryptocurrency ETF that I have, you can see is kind of bringing that down, but also with, we'll go back to Cielo Waste Solutions, not helping the portfolio long-term at this point right now. So 1 year, we are down 1.64%. That's okay, 1%, we can gain that back quite easily with the portfolio, not too worried. So all time, because we haven't been going for a year yet, is down 1.65%. That's just a snapshot in time. I am quite optimistic as we slowly build the deposits on the portfolio. We will be slowly and back up into the green. All right, thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments below how your portfolio is doing. It's always great to hear what other people have say, all of the suggestions and what their investments are. I do really appreciate all your comments and questions. As well, if you've made it this far, I am trying to get up to the next step in subscribers. I think the channel, we're gonna jump a lot this time. We're gonna go try and get 1,000 subscribers. We're gonna try and do it by the end of January. My birthday is the end of January. It'd be nice to have, let's try and get 1,000 subscribers by my birthday at the end of January. It'd be great. So if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It'd be great to have you follow along. I really appreciate everybody's subscriptions to the channel and your questions and comments. That's it. We'll see you all in the next video.